Class, I'm your English teacher Aditi Day. As you all know that yesterday I have completed exercise A and B of English Literature workbook beta. Today I am going to start with exercise C of same page, which is given on page number 2. So in this some questions are given from the passage. So you have to write down the answers. First see the video, then start writing the answers and check it that the spelling is also correct. Okay, complete it neatly, nicely, and with the help of pencil only. Please don't use pen in your book. Okay, it will make the book dirty, so only use pencil to complete your work. And after that, on the page number 3, exercise A, which is also given on palindrome, you have to complete that also. Okay, so complete it. Okay, let's start with the video, children. Morning class. As you all know that yesterday I have completed up to this exercise A and B of your English Literature workbook beta. Today I am going to start with your exercise C. Okay, so question is given like this: based on your reading of the passage, answer the given questions. Means this is the passage. This is the passage beta. According to this, when you go through this passage thoroughly, then you understand easily that what the question is asking and what you have to write beta. Okay, so come to the next page. So first question is, what is a calf? So a younger dolphin is known as calf beta. A dolphin's younger one is called calf. Okay, so the answer is completed. Now come to the next. Define echolocation. Why do dolphins use it? So echolocation is a sounds which are used by the dolphins for communicating beta. So the answer you can write like this: dolphin can sense the presence of an object or an animal near them using echoes. So it is known as echolocation beta. Okay, so such way of communication is known as echolocation beta. Why do dolphins use it? So the answer is dolphins use it for communication. Okay, dolphins use it for communication, beta. Next is, how do dolphins breathe? So dolphins use their noses. Dolphins use their noses to breathe. And their noses are located on the top of their head. Are called blowholes. Okay, come to the next. Why are dolphins gentle and fun to be around? Dolphins are gentle because they live in groups and look after each other as humans do. Okay, dolphins are gentle because they live in group and they look after each other like humans do. Okay, so come to the next exercise. Palindromes I have explained you in the previous chapters also, that it is the word which is read from forward or backward, it will be same. So this is, some letters are given, you have to write as a proper word. So it is kayak, K-A-Y-A-K, kayak. Okay, next is R-A-R-D-A, it is radar. Next is R-F-E-E-R, it is refer. Next is V-E-L-E-L, it is level. Means when you read from the forward, K-A-K-A, means it is balanced. If you read from the forward or backward, it will be proper balance. It is known as palindromes, na? Okay. Next is E-E-P-P, it is peep. And the last is race car. So, better complete it neatly, nicely as I have completed. Okay, thank you.